I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down prerequisites that let you take paying work immediately. Choose a niche so your messaging converts. Once chosen, pick a simple pricing model like $/HR or monthly retainer and open a business bank account. Next, set up a reliable tech stack and deployment pipeline so you can deliver predictably. Make sure to create one portfolio project that demonstrates your niche skills and document standard contracts and invoices so proposals can be sent within 24 hours. Once you have initial leads, turn ad hoc work into a repeatable operation. Build proposal and onboarding templates to reduce back and forth. Use a one-page scope plus milestone schedule to avoid scope creep. Establish a delivery workflow that includes discovery, sprint planning, CA, and launch so you hit deadlines reliably. Bring on freelancers or employees for capacity and define SLAs and communication channels so responsibilities are clear. Make sure billing, time tracking, and version control are enforced from day one. You finalize by scaling predictable revenue and fixing weak spots. Document case studies and automate outreach to build a pipeline. Standardize pricing tiers and retainer products so clients understand ongoing value. Track KPIs like lifetime value, acquisition cost, and utilization to guide hiring and marketing spend. If projects slip or cash flow tightens, troubleshoot by auditing your intake template and milestone payments. Make sure to enforce deposits and automated backups so a single failure doesn't stop delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.